Big shout out to Modern World for sponsoring today's video, sending out this dope Sirikawa, and then also sending out some cool air fresheners. If you guys want any of this stuff, it's on their website. Use the code that's on the screen now to save yourself 15% off. There's a bunch of cool things on their website. We got apparel, stickers, banners, accessories, wallets, shift knobs. If you guys ever want anything, hit up modernworldofficial.com. Once again, thank you guys Modern World for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get into today's video. Yo, what's good everybody, and welcome back to the channel. By the title of today's video, you guys probably already know what's happening. We're going to be modifying the FRS and Tint. By the title of today's video, you guys probably already know what's happening. There's a big trend on YouTube where people modify their car within 10 minutes. Now before we start today's video, there's a couple things that you guys should know about my FRS. So I haven't spent $30,000 into the car. I haven't wide bodied it. It's not turbocharged or nothing. There's only simple mods done to the car and it's nowhere near finished. There's a lot of things that's going to be happening to the car really soon, but for now I like to call this like phase 1 of the car. We just got simple mods on the car, so don't expect anything crazy. I did spend a fair share of money into this build, and honestly right now I like how it looks. I would just keep it like this. When it goes into phase 2, there's going to be a lot of changes to this car. I hope you guys like today's video. Make sure to drop a like if you guys do, and let's get into today's video. So on May 31st, 2019, we went ahead and picked up the FRS. Are able to change the side marker to LED proper one. If they do not come with that, that should be done. I just installed them on the car and honestly they look so sick. Just called them up. They got one more left in stock. Let's go pick them up. Side skirt came with 3M tape, and I already put the 3M tape on, so it should be good. But we're still gonna drill the holes on the bottom of the side skirt, and yeah, should hold. With the red, they look so good. I picked them up for a really good price. I picked up the STI style side skirts, or the ST style side skirts. One thing for those of you guys that don't know, this is my 2014 Scion Frs. My favorite mod has to be the exhaust. So the exhaust that I'm running right now is a custom muffler delete. It's a 2.5-inch wide pipe, and it has blueprint tips. So that's how the muffler delete looks under the car. In today's video, we're actually going to be making the FRS louder. I'm deciding to get rid of the secondary cat. I don't want to get rid of the resonator just because, in my opinion, with the muffler and the resonator off, the car sounds a bit too raspy, and that's not like the tone I'm trying to go for. So yeah, I went ahead and chose the secondary cat, and let's go ahead and get that removed. Today's video, I'm very excited. We're actually going to be lowering the FRS. Yo, honestly, it looks so sick. And in today's video, we're actually going to be removing the ugly wrap I have on my interior. Now in today's video, I fixed one of the regrets I had on my car. Immediately tinted it 20%, and it was one of my regrets because 20% for me was a bit too light. People can still see in the car and see out, and I just didn't like that. So we went ahead, we tinted the FRS 5%. Right now, if you're looking at this window right over here or the window in the back, that is 5% from the inside. This is the inside of the car, 5% tinting. You can clearly see out of both windows, and then you can see out the back. I'm really excited for today's video. I know you guys are excited for today's video. Today's video, I'm gonna be revealing the wheels I put on my car. We're gonna be going ahead, putting the spacers on. Alright, so I made a difference, and this isn't actually the gap that is gonna be there. I just jacked up the car and jacked on the car, so it just has to settle a little bit. But it pokes out a bit more from the back. And honestly, it looks pretty good. I should have done this from the beginning. Picked up an OFT tablet, and right now I'm currently running the Stage 1 pop tune. So this right here is my 2014 FRS. Again, I like the look of it right now. Obviously, there's gonna be a lot of more upgrades in the future. We're gonna go ahead and fully modify this car. But for now, this is like the phase 1 of the build.